Bada bing, bada booey. I've got audio off again. Turn that back on. Alright, ladies and gentlemen. Uh, Day 2. Wowie Game Jam 4.0. Back in action. We got 2 days, 9 hours, 31 minutes remaining. I did a little bit of work off camera, not a whole lot though. Just implementing some new stuff for the sound and UI. Pretty basic stuff. We've hopped back into the VC with everyone. We're gonna get back to work. Hopefully, get this game going old gamer like. And yeah, we got some music in courtesy of Arch Galaxy. He's very Chad. Right, back to work.
Good thing.
It's perfectly fine.
All right, we'll make some health. All right, guys. All right, and then Control D, and then
Well, now you gotta learn what a hole is. I don't know if that's a good idea.
Sonic Man, welcome back to the stream. How's it going? Need Pro Builder. I really should get a hotline for deafing myself.
To sound.
you sound completely sane when you say that.
Yes.
All right, so now we got ourselves a health bar. I just scale that down and bada bing, bada boom, health. I should probably make this like an actual thing real quick.
I like how I said that I won't make a platformer. And guess what?
You made a platformer.
Yes.
Oh no.
There we go, now I gotta keep on. Spent 4 hours today working on the game. Damn, pretty cool. Oh, rip. Alright. Is your game coming along good though?
Okay, so
Can I?
if I did it correct, my code will work out the first time I test it, and I will be so satisfied.
I mean,
This
it's
in
a rare
context with
thing.
yeah, but this in context with like teaching Unity.
A lot of people spend way more time. Fair enough. First game jam's usually the hardest one. I know. Well, yeah, there's a. Oh, well, let's go. Let's go trip down memory lane real quick and dig up my first game jammed game. It's like the first game. Well, yeah, the first good game I released on my itch page, and it's not good. This is the Shape Snack. I spent a really long time on this, and the game is garbage. Because basically, it had a minor issue of basically how the game worked is you would eat shapes to turn into them because the theme was you are what you eat. But yeah, basically I had a minor problem, which is my physics was jank AF and the player would shake violently really often. So it wasn't great. So yeah, but this is like my fourth jam now. We got a better idea what we're doing. So practice takes time, I think. Who knows?
If he goes back, he's going to die. And I was just like so worried about having it like not being interactable. Also, like this game would be perfect to do with a tile map, but I honestly don't know how tile maps in Unity work. So those are individual objects you added by just like hovering above them and clicking. Like I just worked around
Can you give
a
me an
whole
answer
system.
of what the hell is going on? Why it's I'll delete that code.
We'll
Right.
just make that
While you are doing
small.
3D stuff, I'm completely out there.
What the hell?
Oh Jesus, it's so loud.
Just scale that down.
Freaking.
I've just realized that
Okay.
my name's probably at the top of the thing, and that's probably why I'm hearing people go into my thing.
Got the AI working. Switch that activates a crawl space that the player uses to go to the next level. Oh, interesting. What is the AI doing? My guy's solving the level without me. How's he doing that? Yeah, a few changes I gotta make. The biggest change I gotta make right now is I gotta patch a problem where this guy is allowed to move in diagonal lines, and that's a bit cringe. So I'm already working on levels and textures. Fair enough. I just steal textures. It's faster. Technically, it's not stealing. They're openly available. Alright, so AI tries to kill you by moving towards you. Aren't you supposed to collaborate with it, not against it? Okay, he can. Excuse me, Mr. AI. You're not supposed to pathfind through walls. Manipulate it to move towards the switch. Oh, that's clever. So you've got to work with the guy who's going against you. That's a good idea. I kind of like that, actually. That's similar to the premise that I'm using for one of the games that I made a little while ago. Or am still making. You can still run out of distract after the level's done. Level 8 is pretty decent. Right, sweet.
God, I hate doing.
Every time I try to live stream, it just does not work.
I think
A
Unity's
lot of
done.
people have problem like this with Discord live streaming, and I don't get why, because like if you're having the default settings, there should be nothing interrupting your stream.
If you don't have a good CPU, Discord streams can lag you out very quickly.
Okay, well,
I mean, I'm on a laptop, so that's probably why.
I mean, a laptop doesn't really affect it that much. All my friends roast me for using a laptop, but my laptop happens to be more powerful than all of their PCs, so...
I mean that for
Humble.
such a powerful laptop, you are going to pay like your kidney.
Yeah, we don't worry about
Yeah,
that. That's later me's problem. We don't need to worry about the fact that I'm like
Yeah.
2.5 grand in debt.
Yeah. These are problems outside of the code editor, so they don't matter.
Yeah. Oh, 'cause it's not...
How to jump in that?
just add a rigid body and then give it an upwards force. After using a physics overlap sphere to figure out where to make sure they're on ground. I forgot to make that. Yeah, I forgot to change the health. Alright, so say that their max health is 10 and they're at 7 health. This is gonna scale towards the center. I already know it is, but that's not too difficult to fix. Or maybe it won't work at all.
Alright, can my AI still
Let's
try and
make
pathfind
our
through
player.
walls?
You can try to use A-Store.
How's my game work? Pretty simple, basically. The AI is trying to solve the level, but it usually can't because in this level, there's this unreachable platform. But basically, you can meddle with stuff in the environment, because basically you get to play God, and you can help it to try and navigate. Right. And you come back around here. Basically, I want to make sure this guy can't pathfind through this wall, because it tried to pathfind over to here when it was behind this wall earlier. Yeah, that's what I don't want it to do. It's still doing it. Bugger. Yes, that's good. No, that's not good. Who made programming AI so hard? Sneak here. Then it goes into null track mode. Does that. Yep. And then it's not supposed to do that. Go around it instead of smearing its face along it. Yeah, pretty much. But, I mean, technically, it can't see that point, so it shouldn't even be able to know it can go there. It's all that. If we, escape. If we hop into the scene view, you can see these little red lines where basically it does a little check. Whenever it tries to do an explore state, it does a bunch of checks, or however many checks it needs until it hits the ground. So you can see there's actually quite a lot when you let it go for a little while, but they're really fast, so it's not my problem. And basically it does a passing check to see where can it go to, and then it just goes there. Which it does okay, but apparently that passing check doesn't check for walls, so I've got to make it do check for the where is the ground, and then do a check for is the ground also in line of sight. Which it's not doing, because I probably... I don't know if the raycast is supposed to return true if it hits something, or false if it hits something. This also could be entirely backwards. I should probably debug it. Yeah, 3D programming, it's a little daunting to start with, but once you learn what you're doing, it's quite good. But I mean, basically, anything you learn in 2D just translates to 3D with an extra number, and anything you learn in 3D will translate to 2D with one less number. Because I mostly work in 3D, but I do work in 2D quite often. I remember one time I made an entire recreation of the Algodo engine to try and run marble runs in Unity 2D, which was really good until my drive got wiped. Alright, am I accidentally doing raycast backwards? That's a yes. That's why it wasn't working. Mystery solved. Yeah. One thing I can say that's nice about 2D is physics is really good. It's one of my recent projects.
Yeah.
Oh wait, I'm unmuted. Oh, I hit
Yeah,
Control
so
D.
true. Are you on Unity? Or like another engine?
I'm
Oh, that's not a
using
global
Unity,
bind?
and also like
Or I'm pressing the wrong key. Who knows? It got Discord jump scared. Yeah, one of my recent games, I made a game. It was a basically it was a procedurally generated level game where basically you got given 9,999 levels, each with 5 shapes, and your goal was to stack as high as you can with those shapes. Alright, no more passing through walls now. Very good. So this does look somewhat janky. It just like emits spider monkey. Maybe I should shrink the range of which it can do scans in. That way it'll provide a more reliable thing. Maybe I do like... So you can't move it at all? Are you talking about my player? No, the player is entirely autonomous. Well, can, but not to a normal extent. I'm not entirely sure what you're talking about. Well, that has to be an int. So you can actually distract the box if it can't see the goal, but that's on a cooldown. Basically, you've got, where is it? Hold on, the code to load. You've got this distraction that you can perform occasionally, and that will distract the box if it's in an idle or exploring stage. However, obviously, if it can see the goal, it just goes straight to the goal. Basically, it's got green line means it can see the goal, but I've got to change that because currently it isn't supposed to be able to see the goal. Blue line means it's going towards the distraction, which currently takes priority over goal. It's not supposed to. And orange means... Oh, interesting. It can be distracted through a wall. It's not supposed to be able to do that either. Scintillating. Many bugs this game has. Alright. But yeah, basically, you can't directly control the box, however, you can poke it if effectively and tell it, hey, I want you to go here if you can. Right, range, and then... Negative. Range. Range is less than 1. Range is 1. Alright, now it should no longer do like 60,000 checks, because it will only check for things that it can reach. So it's going to go into Wonder mode. Kind of hard to tell because they have a 10-second cooldown. I should probably change that. I'm just going to make it like a 2 seconds. I'm also going to add a quick check to do, when we do set distraction, why is hit valid here? Is hit like a global property for this? Oh, it is. Okay, well that's that problem solved. And then if it is... No. And if it is null. If hit collider is null, then do the rest of the things. Soundtrack design can be cool. Maybe you can compose. I personally don't do the sound design. I know a guy that knows a thing or three about sound design, so I contacted him and said, hey, can you whip something up real quick? But, yeah, I mean, if you got the instruments to make music, I would recommend giving it a go. Because, music will add a lot to your game. I think, if I recall correctly, in my last game jam, we got second partly to music. It was submission to Danish Basic Game Jam 4. Audio, second. Having good music, definitely something to worth doing, or at least like having sound at all, because you'll notice that a lot of game jam games will just forget about the noise. People they listen to music when they're making games and forget to put the music in their games. Because if I unmute the game real quick, you can actually hear that this game has audio already. I imported it from my first game jam game. Headset's gonna go flat. Great news. Yeah, honestly, I don't know much about genres, but it is pretty fire. Hold up, what was that? Turn my volume down real quick. I need to make it so... Why did it just stop? What? Why'd the music just stop? It's not supposed to do that. What? Did it just stop? Am I delusional? Wait. Also, did my, like, distract not work while it was a... Huh? How did you just find off the map? Huh. It just crashed. A lot of things just happened there, many of which I do not understand. I knew that I'd never really come to a scenario that allowed the player to fall off the map before, so I didn't realize that was something I needed to worry about. And, secondly, it just, the audio died, then it crashed. I have many questions. Alright, restart Unity, I guess. Ah. Well, it's better to find the bugs before launch than after. Because finding bugs after launch, that's never good. Wowie game! I still gotta think of a name for this game. I've only got 2 days, 9 hours left. Probably should get onto that at some point. I just noticed we're at 46 followers on Twitch. We've nearly made it to 50. That's pretty insane. Considering how long I haven't been on Twitch, like, I know nobody really cares about this, but, like, I've been on YouTube for, I think, like, 7 years now, and I'm not very popular, and in, like, I think 3 months on Twitch, I'm doing really well, so that's pretty cool. Thank you to everyone that follows me, including you, Sonic Man. Okay. Step 1. Player falling into the void. We don't want that. Why did he do that? I think it's because he tried to... I want to try and recreate it, but I also don't want to crash the game. So... Okay, what I'm going to do is implement a failsafe, because I suspect I know what happened. I think it might have been trying to explore. And then it couldn't find a target because it was under the ground. And then it had a mental breakdown because it was just doing this infinitely. So what I'm going to do is implement a failsafe. Then, if tries is more than 100 somehow, then don't break. Surge of fame if they do the right stuff. I don't know what I'm doing. I just do stuff. I play games and I make games. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Okay, I think that should now fix the crashing issue. Also, what I need to do is make it so it takes a note of its starting position. So I'm going to make it start pause. And then if we make it take a note of that, it can teleport back if it somehow falls out of the map. Start pause equals transform dot position. Alright. Now we need to make it so that gravity is applied correctly, because currently gravity is a flat value. Where is gravity being applied? Move y equals equal to -1. Move y plus equals time dot delta time. I don't know if that's correct. We're just gonna, just so I can tweak it, we're just gonna say it's actually, to hell with it. Now we do, if we're grounded, which we can just do like a down raycast for. Transform dot position. 3 dot down, out hit 0.5, but it needs to be 0.6. Then, if that's the case, move is equal to -1. -1. We need to make it an F. Okay. This should fix some of the bugs. We should now no longer crash the game, and no longer fall into the void. I don't think you've quite got this. It learned to levitate. Not again. What was that? Why didn't it fall? How did it learn to levitate? Okay, 0.5. Just gonna make it -1. Also, Joshua is probably gonna just fall out of the map. I think what the problem here is it does like a cast to this spot here, which it's not supposed to, because this point is actually there's technically geometry there. It's just there's not supposed to be geometry there. I can fix that, but you see, the problem is I'm lazy. But if I do have to fix that, I guess I can. I don't know. Depends how easy it is to trip that bug. It crashed again. I don't think you've quite got this code. You see, I did this thing, I implemented a failsafe. So why, pray tell, did it not fail safe? Tries is 0, tries ++. And then if tries is more than 100, it should break. Why did you crash instead of break? Alright, let's try that again real quick. Just quickly. Firstly, the player was falling way too slow. Secondly, death. Wowie game. Bum, 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 wow. Put task manager there. I got it to hand.
So now it's about to test the one-way doors. So the one-way door is going to be one way is 6 to 9.
I'm back.
7, 8, 9. Hello, back. Okay, I'm
Oh,
sorry.
back.
CEO of
I'm
comedy
back.
right here.
Yeah. I think it's like the lack of
Okay,
sleep,
animation behavior.
but there's no excuse for that bad joke.
Hello, back. I'm dead.
I'm currently trying to solve the mystery of why does my game crash if the player falls off the map.
Okay, this is the moment when I accidentally made Billy Bob the main character.
Yeah.
Oh
This is my
gosh.
first
And
time.
it breaks the moment he kills you. Okay. Well, of course it
Very
does.
nice.
Alright.
Hey, what do you mean you made him the main character?
I accidentally made the camera follow him. Alright,
It
so we
still
got
crashed.
ourselves...
What? Why?
The
Alright, we
frustration
got
killing him.
ourselves...
I only have
Okay, I
one
think-
while loop that goes theoretically infinitely, and it's supposed to fail safe after 10 attempts. And apparently it doesn't
Oh my
like
god,
doing
my
that.
entire project is not working. Files are just disappearing from my project.
Maybe your cat is chewing on your hard drive. Okay, I'm not helpful. Not at all.
Wait,
Uh,
you should decrease the value
Plus, yeah.
a little for pixel art. Oh yeah, that's perfect. That's perfect.
Yeah, right around 4.
hmm
Basically, it's how pixelated it is, so the more detail versus the less detail.
Right, time to restart the Unity editor again. For the 4th time. Bum 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 bum
Hey,
bum bum
menu.
bam 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 bam
Alright, I should go to bed, but I'm probably not going. It's already 4 in the morning.
We got
It's not like I can
we
just go
do
to anywhere.
have to we have to force him.
No,
Yeah.
the one thing keeping me awake is the fact that if I go to bed and then Jonas logs on and joins VC, I'm gonna kick myself.
Does he actually join
Bro.
VC?
I don't know. He said he. I think he does. Otherwise, how would he know that it's like
Hey,
a bundling community? I don't
we're
know.
really responsible people.
Oh,
We
oh,
really
oh!
are.
It didn't crash!
But right now he's offline. I can.
If he
send
joins
you a
VC, I gotta
message.
ask him about his infinite bathroom, because that thing took me ages to try and recreate. I did do it though. I've written my own infinite map generator using wave function collapse. It's so cool.
I've done it too.
Oh wow. How long did it take you?
Like not that long because I just looked up the functions. But I also my main specialty in coding is procedural generation, so it's not really fair.
Oh damn.
Like that's what I like to do a lot of projects on. Like 90% of my projects are just terrain generation.
How fast is yours?
Uh,
Gonna be drinks.
I don't
Just
really know.
get.
I can do like I
I
think
think
it's
I think I got it to work while you explored.
oh yours is like runtime.
Yeah.
Like as necessary, I guess.
Well, how it works is it'll use like it'll generate things a ways away from you, and then it'll store it into a library, right?
Ah yep.
And as you move into that area, it'll load it from the library and unload the other stuff from the like into the library, and
Smart.
then it'll load around you, so it saves unloading time. I'm
That's
just
pretty
having the
cool.
time of my life just beating up this freaking target dummy. This is gonna be such a good game, even though it's gonna be such a bad game, if that makes sense.
Yeah, nobody.
To be fair, the fact that I spent all day working on polish means that this is going to be a fairly decent game.
Assuming there's content. You gotta do that as well,
Yeah,
unfortunately.
tomorrow's just going to be all content all day. Like, pretty much.
Goes hard.
Man,
That's what
I
I'll be
should
doing.
probably polish my game.
Because, like, I made this look great and all, but, like, I gotta have actual content. And day 3 is going to be, oh shit, there was that one issue I didn't realize was going to be a thing.
Yeah.
And then that's all day 3.
Everyone here gonna be making a game for wowie jam. Meanwhile, me joining another game jam, colliding with this wowie jam.
Oh my gosh.
What the
really?
hell? What the hell? How-
You're not making a wowie jam game right now? A match.
He's making both.
dude.
I want to make a wowie jam, but the problem here, I have another game jam, but this one's shorter. It's 24 hours only. So
My
I have
man's
to
just doing
speedrun
2
make-
jams at once. What a legend.
Thank you. Oh, and even worse is that
He ain't
the
getting sleep.
Alright,
even
we
worse-
got four Billy Bobs now. Oh no, I didn't make 4 health bars. This is bad.
Make sure to prefab things.
Okay.
When duplicating, always prefab.
Okay, the problem is that the health doesn't actually. You know what? Actually, wait. Can I drag that under it? I think I might be able to, and I don't think it'll break it immediately. Oh no, but it scales with it. Oh, disgusting.
Friggin'
Okay, wait.
Unity UI is the worst. Like, that's
Copy
the only
position.
part of Unity I don't like.
Okay, you want to know how I fix it every single time though? You just make an empty game object at the same position. You rename it to whatever you want. We'll call this Billy Bob the Third again. Alright, and then you just drag the other thing under it. Now whatever else you drag into it isn't gonna get scaled, and it's not gonna look like crap. And it works amazing.
Wait. Yeah.
No, don't touch me there. This is mine.
Ba, 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 da, 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 da.
Alright,
If you're going to
gaming.
Billy Bob the Third is now an actual thing.
Damn, I cannot outrun my scene transition.
Billy Bob the
Oh
Fourth.
no, I'm gonna have the Billy Bob the 14th.
Not Billy Bob Army.
Then we gotta turn right.
Wait, so if
1,
I
2,
put that one
3,
in.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 right there. Right.
How can I call
1,
the
2, 3,
parameters
4.
of my animation?
Now. Right, time to find out how it keeps pathing in the void. Because apparently my AI is powerful enough to do that. I didn't ask it to.
The smartest
Thursday.
ice cube ever.
Okay, so at this point there's nothing there. What do you mean pathing?
See animator. See animator.
Alright, let's see what other issues arise when I try to do. Oh, none? None question mark?
What? My brain. In your background, or did you think it was playing in mine? I haven't played Celeste. I hear it's really good. Okay. That makes more sense. Okay. Wanda, explain to me, please. How are you pathfinding? If it's not null, then found is true. Fair enough. It's a 2D platformer, right? Pretty sure it's Celeste. I think it's got like similar art style to Hollow Knight. This is another game I haven't beaten. This pathing. Yeah. Hit dot collider is not null. Theoretically, neither of the. Well, that one doesn't even out hit, so. Oh, what? No, go away. This does out hit, so this. It's only if it. Wait, so if it's not. What the frog? I am confusion. Also, what I should do, step 1, implement the feature where it can't try and path to the goal. If it can't do line of sight to the goal, we shouldn't display the goal line at all. So, where is the raycast from the player to the goal? Raycast, eye position, no. Don't do no fancy raycasting yet. Firstly, do we know, we already know where the goal is, right? Yeah, we know where the goal is. Okay, so step 1. If the goal is more than, what would it be? If the goal is so I as the player. Yes, dot y is less than or equal to transform distance plus y plus 0.2 just to be safe. And then nix all that code. Now we just need to get all of this and chuck that in here. Very simple, very nice. And now if the answer is not false, else. Set line 0 to be new vector 2 vector 3 dot 0. Alright, now it should never be able to pass the goal when it is below it, like it is here. Very good.
Wait, how is it?
What?
Wait, what? Watch this. I turn off this. Wait, what? Okay,
No.
wait, what? Excuse me, what? Okay, excuse me, but what? This was working fine 3 seconds ago, and I don't want to stay up much later. Oh, oh, oh. Excuse me, but what?
Show us your rotate towards mouse script.
Okay, basically the gist is it uses a raycast and it finds the position of the mouse, and then it just sets that to be the transfer of the Y, and then it's just gonna look at it.
Okay, if you like give the fire point like a rendered object, like make it a cylinder or something, so you can see where it's rotating, you may find out what's the
Yeah,
problem.
let's go.
I hear, yeah, I can probably do.
It's working 3 seconds ago and I want to sleep. That I can relate to that. That feels like coding in a nutshell.
Yeah.
We'll scale that down, and then we'll just like Control D and
What about the
douche.
material?
Or it doesn't matter.
But
Okay,
it doesn't look pretty.
wait.
Okay,
Is
so
that
with the pixels,
where
I
is
can't
that?
even tell
Yeah.
what it's
Okay.
where it's looking.
Me neither. Okay, default. Alright, game. Okay, wait. So
Okay, it's completely the wrong direction, if I can tell it right.
Okay, so yeah, it's like it's facing.
It's facing itself.
Wait, it's facing like.
You may are
What?
editing the wrong quaternion. I just hate quaternions. So
Wait, no, look at this. When it rotates, it scales. Oh, disgusting. Okay, maybe I just don't. Maybe I give up on that. All right. I don't know how to do it other than that though, because like you can see, right, in the game, it works great and it feels great, right? But the problem is that it's shooting like in a straight line from the minigun thing. They should be shooting towards the mouse.
Wait, I gotta go.
Could you like get the cursor's position and then just aim the bullets towards the cursor? Just like do
Potentially.
when the
Okay,
bullet
if we
spawns,
look
do
in
a
the
raycast to
shoot.
get cursor position in 3D space, and then just look towards that position.
Well, I would have to add the force. Wait, vector. Is there a vector 3 dot towards?
What do you mean dot towards?
Rotate towards. Rotate towards. Okay, yeah. All right, all right.
You
So
can
I
just
get the
use
mouse's
transform dot
position,
look at.
right? No, that doesn't work because that'll make it. Uh, just trust me, that won't work.
Okay.
Okay. Because basically the bullet wouldn't. The velocity wouldn't work like that. Okay. So rotate towards. Um.
Rip classical music. Yeah, this is why I don't have music playing in the background, because I don't want to get shadowrealmed, because I want to be able to copy my VODs for the YouTube video.
All right. Wait, where am I instantiating it? Okay, it's just bullet. Bullet, and then it's towards mouse pause, and then
What is it doing? Why is the AI having a rave?
well, you created an eye that's having a
max.
wave.
I'm
Apparently.
bajillion
Oh, wait.
into.
Rave Cube. Indeed, it is Rave Cube. The question is,
And then
why?
we'll just copy that. And all right, now hopefully that works. And if it doesn't, I'm fucking screwed. But you know. Wait, wait. I don't think that's working. But it's kind of doing something. Okay, wait, is it consistently off by the same amount? If I aim here on the wall. Now if I aim here on the wall.
The one works, but the other not. Like the right one seems to work. Nah, okay. I think it depends on the relative position from if your cursor is like more to the right, the left one works better. If it's more to the left, the right one works better.
Yeah, if we look at the rotate towards
Calculating
mouse.
3D forces is a pain in the neck.
Tell me about it. Holy crap. Alright.
One time I wanted to try and recreate the grabbing physics from Half-Life Alyx, and then only after finishing my project I found out that apparently you can grab things sideways. Invalidated all of my code.
I think
Why is
someone
there
could
no vector
say
3 dot rotate function? Why the fuck is there no vector 3 dot rotate function?
I think someone could say I have something for if statements. I'm not sure about it, but like I would say 90% of my scripts are if statements.
Well, I mean, that is just coding, isn't it?
I think so.
I hope so. If not, I'm doing it
Someone was
wrong.
yeah. Same. Someone was criticizing it yesterday, but he was like also
Probably a Switch
has
user. That's cringe.
Yeah, actually. And I don't know how to use switches, so I don't care.
The switches are basically a different syntax for if statements, and I'm not entirely sure why they exist.
So people can brag about using them
But like, why?
because they are so much cooler. I mean, honestly, the same thing. I got the same problem with like using Unity and the animation controller, because how I used to do it was like make an animation tree with all those conditions switching between the animation states. And then I learned about like just playing the animations in your code in certain cases. And it's so much better because those animation plant trees they are hell. Like you're going to end up with like so many conditions, so many transitions that you can't keep track on. Then you add another condition and you gotta edit all those transitions. And with like doing it only with code, it's so much easier.
Mm. Eventually, I gotta learn about that because I want to get better at making custom avatars for VR games.
I mean, if after the game jam, if I've got the time, I can tell you more about it. It's not that difficult. Okay, we have here walk
This needs to be
6,
reworked.
walk 8, turn right, walk 4, and delete the rest of it. If this works, I'm going to be happy.
Alright, hopefully this works.
20 seconds and you found new bugs. That's impressive.
What the fuck?
I think this is the wrong direction.
I don't even know at this point.
Alright, player, can you not have a rave now,
Yeah.
please?
Fuck yeah. Duh.
The sound of death.
Yeah, basically the sound of stretching.
Oh, it's still having a rave. Neat. Why?
But all features implemented, so I can make UI now, I guess.
Big and nice UI.
I see. I just found out why it's having a rave. It's failing to pass
No, but
in a most
Shit, the shit
spectacular
again.
fashion.
I have a very
giant-
fixated asset, and it renders as a, I think, a normal
Shoot
texture
to
in
shoot
the.
bullet.
Why has it failed these pass checks? Because there's definitely ground there.
Uh,
Well, at least I know my failsafe is working, because that's a lot of checks, and there should not be that many. Keep the rave as a hidden input.
Why it's not jumping? Why it's not jumping? I wanna jump. I wanna jump.
Jumping's
Why it's
prohibited.
not jumping?
This does actually look freaking awesome, though, if it wasn't, unintended.
How can I jump?
Oh, yo,
Jump it.
that's trippy. Orthographic
How
cameras are
can I
really
jump
cool.
my character? Let's play crab game, I guess.
Crab game. Wow.
You still gotta finish Muck.
Okay.
Change this to like 20 just to be on the safe side. So you should change the re-rendering thing so that it's where is the rendering of the fstate.explore? New vector 3.
I
iPos.
need.
Does someone know how importing 2D textures or sprites work in Unity?
What sprites?
2D sprites. I'm importing a sprite for the map, but it's
Blurry.
yeah, it's all blurry.
Okay, so the first thing you
point
go,
filtering.
you click on your sprite, and you go on filter mode, on in the middle, filter
Yeah.
mode, bilinear. You go in it and point no filter, apply. Also compression none is good, but now it's crispy clean.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
It's working. I don't know how I face it with the camera.
You might end up like having
Hello
squished
there.
pixels if you use
How
the
are
normal camera
you?
because it's getting resized. That's completely normal. I
Oh.
also have like small bugs at the moment when I'm trying to look at my stuff. But that's
yeah,
normal.
but it's like 100 times better than before.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Will the 17th try
You're
be the right
welcome.
one? Oh?
Let's
Oh
see,
my
let's see,
gosh.
let's see, let's see. Is it working?
Oh,
Yeah, but they're kind of slow.
I mean,
But
yeah, they are kind of slow. Let's
Bye-bye.
let's fix that.
bye.
Bye.
Okay.
Adios.
Why is this so damn hard?
Q status, raving. Like, it can't even be distracted. The rave is so powerful.
I honestly, I'm going to write your name down because I want to play it, but if there's no rave mode, I'm going to report your game.
Don't worry, it's gonna be
Yeah,
number
you're
one. If you
teasing
press
me with
1
those
and 9
raves.
at the same time, you can forcibly invoke rave mode. You know,
That's
I'll,
clickbait.
I'll implement this right now so I don't forget.
Okay, strong, strong.
Can you implement e-girls?
I mean,
No, I'm saving those for my other game.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Oh, I don't
Okay,
have
back
a
to normal shooting.
Oh wait.
So U and O. Okay.
it was like, how did that work? It was there was an opportunity to cut like UI in graphics and for UI in pieces, so it gets resized every time.
No, the
But I
key code's for 1.
honestly don't remember how to do it. It's just like
Copilot even knows how to implement rave mode.
that's nice.
It's not logging.
But they are
We need a
getting...
Billy Bob dating simulator.
Okay, so now I gotta make it somehow
I think our
slice.
goal should just be for all of us to get into the video.
Meter boost. They're dead.
I'm going for like being the first one.
I'm going for not having the worst game.
Yeah, same. I'm
Okay,
going for
yeah,
I'm going
same,
for
same.
not worst.
I want a
Not
game that
best.
isn't broken, because like my first ever Game Jam game was just the worst thing, not because the gameplay sucked
my
or the
gosh,
game sucked, but it
the
was just
wor-
so
my f-
buggy.
My first game jam
My
I ever did was when I was like 3 or some shit. Like I
Oh,
swear I was the
damn.
youngest kid ever.
yeah.
I think I was like 12 or something if I had to guess, but like
I mean,
or
you gotta
actually I
give
think I
props
was
to like
11.
the people who are trying to enter game jams from scratch.
Wait.
Yeah,
Like
but like it was just this buggy ass version of Fez that had terrible graphics.
My first game jam game was made in Java, like pure Java.
Oh,
Uh,
nice.
One in their right mind uses Java.
I use it for
what?
Minecraft
Uses
modding.
Java.
And it was like this terrible mess. Like the final level was unbeatable, right? I
Nobody
also
in
did
their
that when
right
I was
mind
like
uses
11 or
Java.
something. So yeah.
Okay, we're gonna get Brackies to save me again.
Yeah. Actually, I need him as well because sliced UI
Man,
is shit.
Brackies has saved so many people. Like it's not even
It's
funny at this point.
so sad that he's gone.
We can't code. We just use him.
I actually found most of his
Because-
tutorials are out of date, so he
Let's-
actually hasn't helped me that
If
much.
I remember correctly, he's still doing some game jams, right?
Okay,
Most of the
look,
time, I just end up doing my own
I'll be muted for
stuff. Because the thing is,
Yeah.
all of the mechanics you try to implement are so fucking obscure.
Sonic Man, 1 minute before the timer runs out. That's a bit cringe, dude. If you're not doing it in the last 10 seconds, that's time wasted. Like, you want to be in the last 10 seconds. That's how you get cool points. Alright, is Rave mode now working?
Okay, at least.
Got no idea, because I didn't implement a thing to tell me if I toggled it correctly.
Okay, back to doing animations.
Is this what you want? It's not working as entirely as expected. I should probably give it like a frame buffer or something.
Yeah.
Oh, wait. What the heck? I just realized it looks... Oh, I have two different... I've got a lot of different monitors with a lot of different color accuracies and refresh rates. 'Cause I got like 5 monitors here. On my main monitor that's like supposedly accurate and high refresh rate, it looks like garbage. On my bad monitor, it looks good. And on the stream monitor, it also looks good. So I've got no idea what to assume. Do we call this functional? Is this rave mode now?
Send the game to me. I have three
No,
monitors
it's
as
not
well.
loading yet.
You can just have a look. It's live now. The link is on my
Oh,
Discord. It's still not working, but at least we have raving now.
Mm.
wait, where is it live?
If you right click my Discord and go to my profile, it should say the... Yeah, it's in activity. Well, top 10 useless features that my game now has. Rave mode.
Nice.
Going absolutely crazy.
Oh, now I understand why it wasn't working the script. I didn't assign the script to the player.
Oh. Oh, that's happened to me on more occasions than I'd like to admit. Also, why is my thing not recharging? Number 9, Flying Cube.
Okay, so I'm back.
Cube will be used in the speedrun for the game. Wait, seeing as it's a meta now, let's just make it so that it can be viably used in speedrunning. For the
I
sake of
forgot my
trolling.
Twitch login.
What the fuck is this?
This game is gonna be speedrun.
It is now. And
Dude,
rave
I
mode is
did
now a
flash-
speedrun strategy.
I did flash animation for a bit and I never learned how to do proper run cycle.
Any games. Well, technically, you can beat the entire game without using the random movement because you can just spam distract. Okay. Question of the day: why the hell is it still strobing when it's not supposed to be strobing? We can toggle intentional strobing, but we've got no way to toggle intended gameplay.
Okay.
There's something that's causing it to have a mental breakdown, and I know exactly what it is.
Oh my god.
Oh, AI Happy Meter is
my
working now.
God. I
So
was
like,
working on my project this entire time without having it saved once.
Oh my gosh, you dodged a
yo,
bullet.
That sentence induced shivers in my spine.
Hey, you wanna know how I can make it worse?
No.
My PC doesn't function correctly. It crashes every 10 to 20 minutes.
I can relate to that. What? Excuse me, Code. What the fuck do you mean you found an explore target? You're not going anywhere. It says it's found it 2,000 times, and yet it proceeds to stand freaking still.
Okay. Oh. Ah, yes, the joys of programming.
layers.
Okay, you know what? We don't need perfect animations for this.
Okay, so I'm guessing something that's. Oh, wait, I know exactly what's happening. I know exactly what's happening. It's getting overridden, isn't it? It's doing exactly what it's supposed to do, but then immediately being overridden by itself. Yes. Right here. It's trying to wander and then immediately being stopped by the fact that it's already wandering.
Oh. No, that makes sense.
I'm eating bread.
You got an applause for your bread.
And
Never mind, it's still having a seizure. No, it's not it. Sorry. The power of being in the future, I can inform you that the code is not working. Camera for bad camera.
What the fuck?
Bro, you should change the stream title to from software and game development to pain and suffering.
Now it's just not working. Great. I love this camera. This is what you get for buying a $5 camera off of Amazon.
Hmm.
I said 1080p and then proceeded to buy the cheapest thing that came up.
Wait, what the hell is
I'm
happening?
back. Alright, now to adjust. Okay.
It's off. It's off. Readjusted, yes.
Now I'm guessing here is something setting a state to a non-correct value.
Yeah, the camera. Go to OBS.
What?
Get to OBS. Your camera is off.
Yeah, I fixed that. What?
I
How the
don't
scratch
see
games are going? Good question. Maybe one day for trolling, I should make a game in Scratch for a game jam.
Hmm.
It was like
Would be a challenge.
I mean, I've spent a long time in Scratch. Not as long as I spent
I
in
did
Unity,
it a
but
lot in school.
yeah. The Unity 3, I mean, not Unity 3, Scratch 3 friggin' sucks. Scratch 2 is where it's at. Though I don't know if that can be compiled to HTML5.
Why? What's so bad with Scratch 3?
It was, firstly, it's shit. And, secondly, I don't like it. Basically, they added features, which, I mean, imagine adding good features to the engine.
Wait, isn't that the one with like where the blocks have cat ears or something?
Wait, what? They did
I
that?
saw someone using. I saw someone using Scratch.
Yeah,
and
the
their
code
code had
bits.
Marbius.
Yeah.
Yeah, the code bits have like cat ears, but I think it's a skin you can select.
Alright, I am a bit confused. Something's happening that's not causing the state to be appropriately set to state.explore. Visual coding's not that bad. It's just a lot
No, those
slower
are
than scripting.
but
That's true.
If you found an exploration target, then why are you not pathing there, my good sir? Setting it to idle. What event set it to idle? There's only 2 places in the code that set it to idle. I suspect it's this.
I've walked into Twitch.
Is it possible that the UI is clipping in Unity? The UI clipping with the camera.
Nah. The
No,
UI
that's
shouldn't
possible.
clip with. Is it?
Oh god, do I really sound like that?
Not in 2D though.
No, not in 2D, not in 2D, no.
The idle is when it's like waiting to do something. When it's just exploring around randomly, that's wonder state. Distraction is the blue targeting cursor state, and the goal is the green going towards goal state. But I implemented a feature where basically it can't start wandering unless it's in the idle state. I suspect what's happening is it's starting a wander, and then something's immediately setting it back to idle, which then cancels the wander. Because it's returning that it found the explore target, which means it did what it's supposed to do. Made it so the cube can't see the goal before the block, below the blocks. No, it can't see things above. It can see stuff below. But I think what's happening is this. Where is it? This line here isn't working because it's supposed to say if we're not trying to wander, start trying to wander. However, I suspect it's not doing what it's supposed to do. Because every other thing doesn't call explore on a frame-by-frame basis, and this is. That's why I implemented this variable to start trying to prevent it from doing that. But I guess that didn't work. If state is state.idle. Wait, hold on. Question. What happens if I set the default state to state.idle instead of state.goal? How many things does this unbreak? I guess that answers my question.
Hmm?
I found out where all my bugs were coming from.
Oh well, yeah.
What the fuck?
It is working as usual. Never
What's
mind.
the game supposed to be about?
Okay, hold on. Need to go where is target plus vector 3.10 0.5. F.
Okay.
Alright, hell yeah. Now it's passing exactly as intended.
So, does anybody have a name yet?
Honestly,
Yeah, I'm
right
Air
now I'm
Scratch.
thinking about it. I thought about like my game is teaching an AI to go through a maze, so I just thought like mesh maze and AI to maze.
May eyes.
My eyes.
The name I
More
can't
like
stand.
my eyes are bleeding because of the game. That's something like that. I don't know.
So when it finishes distraction, go to idle. I need to friggin' label my main script. I haven't done that. Fix that. That does no longer need to be marked on my to-do.
So the UI is working, but it's not showing up. Um,
What? AI is trolling me.
So right now, the only thing you can do is like in my game. I mean, the only thing is like you can create your own levels and play them. But there are no levels implemented right now.
BRB real quick.
Oh my god, I want to die.
Oh, I don't know. I fixed it, but I fixed it. Changing values in the expector randomly works.
Build form.
Okay.
Bless you.
Thanks.
I want a good.
Wait, what the fuck are these sprites? What the fuck is going on?
Sorry about that, guys. I am back. Cats were demanding sacrifices, but I gave them food and we came to an accord.
Oh my god, holy shit, what the fuck is this for? Can't read shit.
What is that? Hitboxes. That hurts my. Ah!
Well, the bullets
That
are
smells
going
like
straight
bugs.
up.
Are they supposed to do that?
I mean,
No.
does it look like?
I mean, you can never really tell with games.
I mean,
Well, I mean,
maybe he's trying
Actually,
to
it
kill
is
God.
supposed to do that, because if it wasn't supposed to do that, it wouldn't do it. That's how code works.
No, that is
No. That's
nuts.
You can't really argue with the code. It's exactly what it's supposed to do.
It's not supposed to do that.
It's not what you want it to do,
what
but
the
it is
code
what it's
says.
supposed to do.
Sometimes it's not doing what it's told to do, like literally.
Have you tried telling it to shoot forwards instead of up?
I have actually.
Code, please shoot forward. Thanks. Love you.
You are such a nice code. You listen to
We're
me.
just gonna-
Yo, Code, can you like finish my game for me? Yeah, thanks.
Let's just. That's too far.
Is there any quick way to set like all the text to the same font in
And
in
Unity.
Use the search thing, search for elements of text, and then just drop all of them. I can drop everything at once.
No.
Actually, smart idea. Thank you.
That's what I'm here for. Remake the entirety of Fortnite for a game jam. That'd be a moderate amount of trolling.
Remaking GTA V in a game jam.
Making GTA 6 in a game jam.
Makes
Why is this so hard?
What, programming or living?
Both.
both.
But like, okay, my question, right? Because I've got these fire points and they're in the right positions, and they're aligned, and they've got the right rotation, so it's like it's all looking good for shooting. And then the moment I start shooting,
It's gonna take me
they
ages to watch
immediately
back through all these VODs and find the highlights when I make the highlight video.
of what?
The jam.
Oh dang, there's a highlight reel.
Well, not if I don't find all the highlights.
Oh,
I mean, right now I am recording like everything I do.
I mean, I'm
Just
not
to
live
make
streaming the whole thing
sure.
on Twitch for the sake of content. I'm live streaming it all because my OBS is
Yeah.
broken and I just can't record things for some reason.
oh dang, you're live streaming right now.
Yeah.
How many
Yeah.
viewers do you get?
2. Which is a
Good
personal
job.
best average.
Dude, I should
Yeah.
stream. I get an average of 4. I know, crazy.
We
But
should
at the
team
same
up and
time, I
have
stream
6.
Do be
Minecraft.
flexing though.
I play Minecraft, so I guess it's a little easier, but you know.
I usually do gaming streams when I'm not making games, but that's rare. It's only twice a week.
Dude, I just cannot get these stupid bullets to work. Why is this so difficult?
Alright.
Okay, I think I know what to do.
Okay, so like I can get the bullets to shoot straight out if it's like this, right? Like they're shooting straight out of their thing, working all good. Yeah, everything's working fine. Actually, okay, wait.
Hey guys, legs are kind of overrated, am I right? Who needs legs to animate anyways?
It's like I can make it shoot straight right out, but the moment I try to add like it so that the arms move towards the center, like then it's moving towards the center, but then for some reason the shot position doesn't rotate with it.
Suggest you to add the
What if I just directly
AI or
parent to the
artificial intelligent bone with rag.
Alright, have fun, Sonic Man. Good luck with the jamming.
I think ragdolls is the best way to make AI.
Excuse me, but what the frick are you talking about, sir? Ragdolls
talking about
aren't
yeah.
an AI. They're a
Physics.
type of physics, yeah.
Ragdolls
What
make
the
you go
fuck?
yes.
What's happened?
They do, but how
Make
are
it-
they an AI?
They're not.
I don't know.
Anything's an AI if you
Killing.
don't think about it too hard.
Oh my gosh, guys, the saga of me making shooting kind of work finally ends.
Oh, you know what you should make?
Wait, never mind. No, it doesn't. I forgot to actually enable it. Shit. Now let's watch it break in front of my eyes once again.
Make another Bono.
What is this?
Make another one
Oh,
of
wait.
Hey,
this
you know what
robot.
you should make? So whenever you kill b- the red guy, he just falls
I mean-
apart.
This shooting's good enough, right? I don't need to make it better.
Yeah, what you should add is instead of the players just disappearing, you should make them shatter. That would look super cool.
Well, yeah,
that's
but
what I meant.
this is also a dummy. It's not really meant to.
Are you saying
do
that stuff that shatters doesn't look cool?
It does. Ladies and gentlemen, I may have fucked up.
Because there's a really cool runtime destruction library for Unity.
Yes, counterpoint. That's not what I'm doing right now. Oh my
Sure
gosh,
about
it's
that.
5 in the morning. I should totally go to bed, but like at the same time.
Okay.
5 in the morning for you? Wow. It's like, no, it's dead on 6 o'clock
It's
PM here.
12 right now. In Germany, it's 12.
It's 1 in the afternoon for me.
Yeah.
Guys,
Same
guys,
way.
guys, 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 holy shit, holy shit.
You
Holy
got it
fucking
working?
shit.
Okay,
Holy
yeah.
fucking
Oh,
shit.
it's working!
So,
Holy
so
shit.
I tell you
The
what to do.
journey of 2.5 fucking hours. Oh my
Okay,
god.
so right now, you go on exit play mode, hit Control S, and
I
then
am
you go,
spamming it. I am spamming it.
and then you go like in the
And imagine
bottom
you
left
press-
corner. There's like a Windows icon. If you click on that and then go on shutdown, you can actually get some sleep.
Oh dang. That's crazy. I'm
Make
gonna
us-
keep working.
Make a
You
sound
can
because
sleep?
sounds good.
Wait,
Now imagine
what?
you
Wait,
You can
you
sleep,
guys
but
know
you
what
gotta
sleep
shut
is?
down your PC. Yeah, I got actually like 7 hours. I was
So
about
just you to make a sounds because sounds
If you get more than 1 hour of sleep, you're an NPC.
No shut? Yeah.
well. Let's compare our progress, and I can tell you who's the fucking okay. Sorry, not meant to be
I'll do it.
serious.
I'll shut my computer down. Look at me.
I made a very stupid AI, but it's more stupid
Look
than I
at
want
me.
it to be.
I'll shut my computer down.
It's much more stupid than I really
Yeah.
want it to be.
Okay. We
I'm
got a
looking
bullet
at it.
script so that it doesn't care if it hits itself, it won't explode if it hits itself. And now everything should be working.
Wait a second, I should
Wait.
probably.
Wait, what? Oh wait. That needs to be does not equal oopsies. I'm making it only collide with bullets. Okay,
But I
okay.
don't think if that's the way to do.
Oh my gosh, guys, it finally works. The shooting is amazing. It's superb.
Oh, I love shooting.
I also love shooting. Shooting is amazing.
The shooting looks sick.
Shooting
Okay.
people
Oh wait, it
even
does
more
start in
better,
idle
more
state.
amazing.
Great work.
Oh my gosh, that is so satisfying. Okay, you can't tell me that doesn't look sick though with the freaking machine guns
Yeah,
pointed
it does
inwards.
look pretty
Oh,
freaking
Yeah.
sick. Do the machine guns like
Oh my-
aim wider when your cursor's farther away?
yeah, they
Yes.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Yes.
do. Wait, yeah, they do.
I think you should. Now
I heard
make
it.
wave systems of enemies. Oh yeah, perfect. No bugs
Yeah,
here.
point it into itself, just casually like
Maybe just like
going to
And
add
then
a
shoot.
minimum aim distance.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
Nah, that's
I
fine.
like
You can
this.
blow
I
yourself
like
up.
this.
But sound because
Alright.
sounds
I should.
good.
This is when I need to make a notepad telling myself later what to do. Alright, so. Alright,
Ah!
we need to.
I haven't seen white notepad in so long.
Sound.
I'd gotten used
Sound
to Windows
effect.
11 having dark notepad.
Oh yeah.
listening
Wait,
to
what?
sound effect.
Okay, make.
Wait,
Wait,
A
how do
sound
I?
effect.
How do I? How do I make it dark?
Oh my god, I want to die.
Sound effect.
No, wait. How do I make it
So-
dark?
I think I need to make a player sprite. But I don't know how to make a player.
Sound effect.
How do I make it dark?
Turn out the lights.
Dark notepad.
Yeah.
Oh,
how do I
notepad.
make
You
it
need to be in
I've-
Windows 11.
Oh, screw that.
What have
Yeah,
you got
no
against?
one wants
Yeah.
it.
Why does so many people have stuff against Windows 11? It's great.
No, it isn't. It has terrible support for so many things.
Like what?
Why
Like,
do they? first of
Overwolf.
all, Why
Pardon?
do they?
But
Why
who
did
uses
I do that?
Overwolf?
Do some
I
sound.
use it for
Wait.
CurseForge, Minecraft mods.
Soda.
Yes,
Why?
yes.
You could
My
also
man.
just use a browser.
For
Why?
Minecraft mods?
Some sound.
Yeah?
Minecraft
Why
mods
does it?
managed
It
by
doesn't-
CurseForge,
It doesn't
best
need
thing ever.
8th gen
Best thing ever.
processor. It
Dude,
doesn't need 8th gen
Dude,
Intel
you're gonna tell me
Array
right you're gonna
processor.
tell me right now
Doesn't
that
need
if I
the
go to
2.0
CurseForge, okay, I did just disable like a lot of my
It
mods,
does
so it's
not
probably gonna be
need
empty.
secure boot to work. It does
No,
not
you're
need 2.m 2.0. It
okay.
Does not need
You're
an
gonna
8th
tell me
gen
you're gonna
Intel
tell me that if I launch
processor.
CurseForge and I it's so much harder to just click play like right here, then rather go. All right, I'm gonna go download every single mod in the mod pack, all 176
Nah. You
mods.
gotta go for all the mods 7, so you have like
All the mods
320
7
mods.
sucks.
I played it a lot. Hey,
I've played it. I played it through. I don't think it's as good as IGM6.
what do you think about my own my own creation? Very nice cover pic.
Hmm.
But like I love
Oh man,
CurseForge, honestly. It's like the best way
it's so good.
Yeah.
manage mod packs.
The Twitch launcher that there was before it was so.
I don't play Minecraft
I mean,
that
you
much.
had to download Twitch desktop to use it. So
Yeah.
The hell?
All right, guys, the
And
Billy Bob
also I
army is approaching.
use like Overwolf for TF Tactics, an add-on for TFT. Oh no, he's going to kill Billy Boy. Billy Boy.
Wait, is my velocity pulling me towards my bullets? Oh, that's weird.
Nah, that's intended.
Yeah, what are you talking about?
You are walking menacingly towards the enemy while shooting.
Yeah.
Standing there menacingly.
Could I rewrite my pathing code for like the 16th time?
Yes. No hesitation. Yes. Okay, shooting script. Oh man, this is getting so much more.
It's like currently it can move in diagonal lines, and that's a bit cringe.
That is a bit cringe.
It's like rewrite the entire movement code just to nix diagonal lines from fucking existence. Diagonal lines? Cringe.
So people, what do you think about like my editor? You can like create your own levels, building walls and stuff, and then you can like select the starting point, select the finish point, place
Oh, that-
checkpoints.
it's
I've
very
done
smooth.
something similar in Raylib and C++.
Oh yeah, that's actually
to
pretty
s-
cool. How does someone like level editors at runtime? Mad impressive.
And then you can hit like call it
I mean, to be fair, my thing wasn't
full
drunk.
crap, save it, quit, and go to custom levels and play it actually.
That's pretty cool.
These
That was like the
was-
first thing I did.
Wow.
there are
that's
like
pretty
the
cool.
playability
Wow,
of the
that
game
was-
like
Wow, that
100
was-
steps further.
Okay, I actually think my game might be pretty cool this time around instead of just the cringy nonsense I make every single time.
Yeah, now I gotta make the UI, the rest of it like.
Does anyone know how to draw pixel art?
I know pixel art really well.
How do I
I
draw
suck at
fire?
pixel art.
Basically make a really random squiggly line and then like chunk it up a bit and add like a little extra squiggly line to the side and then sporadically move it around.
The way I do
Like this?
pixel art is I just get a render texture with really low resolution.
Oh man. Dude, I tried that. It does not work nearly as well as what I have here.
Fair.
I
Okay,
just
what
have
should I
my
change the
pencil
mouse
out.
to? Because my only ideas right now are a penis, so I mean...
What?
Alright, I need to add like some sort of man, okay, there's also gotta be a text system intro.
Bruh. 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 For enemies. What the heck?
Okay, so these are my current potential new ideas, because I already have the stuff that I know I'm gonna add, but like new weapon
Just
upgrades,
and
besides like
make
just making it fire faster and that kind of stuff, I kinda wanna add like
victory
things like turn your
condition.
weapon into a flamethrower and stuff like that. Some
Entry.
That is a good idea.
upgrades, potentially
New weapon.
bosses,
You
some
should add
shops.
e-girls. You should invent
Upgrade.
e-girls.
But
Oh my
that's
gosh.
a
Bosses
lot
and
of things.
shop. Shop and
Like, I would
bosses?
vote
That
5
is
stars
How
for
to-
that
crazy.
game if there were e-girls.
You would play my game if there were
Yes.
Dude, this game is so much fun already. Oh my gosh.
But it would be more
Where's my
fun with
cursor?
e-girls.
Unity, give it back.
You want, I'm just gonna look this up. If there's an e-girl model, I'm just gonna see what it's like to shoot it. Oh man, my search history is gonna look so sus after this, isn't it? Oh my gosh.
Oh
Out of real
my
time.
Alright. Is
Oh
this a
my
download? Is this a download?
E-girl, ooh.
Alright, yep.
That's a dot
Very
blend. You have to
Why is
export
it-
that.
No, yeah, I know. Okay, okay.
Yes. girls.
Downloads.
Oh my.
Bro, you should add like if you don't want to really add that, you can add it as a secret feature that you can only get
Interest
by
of
like
a game.
Okay, file, export, FBX, downloads, y.fbx. Alright. So we've got ourselves. We're gonna get our. Oops. All right, we're gonna get ourselves an e-girl we can shoot. All right, we'll replace one of the Billy Bobs with.
Oh no.
I am
All right,
15.
we can
Don't
delete
judge.
that.
I'm still
Oh wait.
going through puberty.
Cancel. Okay. Prefab
Don't
unpack
judge. I'm
completely.
still 15. I'm going through puberty.
Oh. Okay.
Wide.
More short than wide, but okay.
God damn.
All right.
Damn, she's thick.
Okay, alright. Edit. We need to just do that. Alright. And then we also have to re-put in that. Alright. Oh my gosh. Why? Why am I doing this? Wait, layer, pixel.
It looks like
That
a Fortnite
that
skin.
is interesting. Alright. Introducing e-girl you can shoot. Oh wait. Shit, what the fuck is going
Now
on?
this is gaming.
Hell yeah. Who doesn't like to shoot girls?
Hold up.
Oh wait, that's why I forgot to do that. Okay. Give me a sec. Okay. Oh. Okay, well, their health bars and their freaking penis.
I hope there aren't
Wait,
any feminists
excuse me,
around here.
what? It just kinda went away.
I hope there aren't any feminists around here.
Oh man, yeah. And if you can, you're next. You saw what we do to feminists right there. I mean, like, I have nothing against them, but like, e-girls get shoot by mechs because it's fun. Okay,
that's
originally
funny.
it was the fact that like the health bar scaled towards the inside was just like me being lazy, but I actually kind of like it now.
Make sure
It's
to
not a
delete that
bug,
chat
it's a
history
feature.
after this.
It's not a mistake, it's a masterpiece.
Yeah.
Just a happy little accident, just like you.
Friggin' masterpieces is default Unity lighting for once in, like, I think the first time ever. This is the first time default Unity lighting hasn't been the bane of my existence.
Dude, default Unity lighting in URP is actually pretty good.
I mean, it looks freaking identical to the no render pipeline, except for the fact that now I have Bloom. There was this, well, there's 2 games that I've been working on that I've just been trying so hard to make good, but they looked good because of their graphics, and I just couldn't get the graphics to look right. One of them had reflections, and the other one, I just could not get a room to be dark. Unity's like, you want some light leak? Because we've got light leak. I'm like, no, please, give me shadows.
Oh, an easy way to solve that is just to put a box around it.
I did that. I put 2 boxes around it. It was still too bright.
Ow.
I don't know, Unity just doesn't like giving me shadows.
Mm.
Alright. How is it hitting the map when there's no map? Explain this to me, code.
Okay, I think this is a good place to end off today, as it is like 5 in the morning and I feel like going to bed. So I will see you guys later today. Holy crap, there's a lot of people in here.
You
Bye.
didn't notice?
No one was talking, so I just assumed it was the same amount of people, but holy crap.
Yeah, no, there's a
it's-
lot of
it's
people on
like-
mute.
Yeah.
Most of them are just muted and watch our stream, so I don't know. Just listen to us.
Is everyone here even developing a game, or are they just like chilling here for the free game development?
I am
mean-
developing, at least.
I am.
Nice. Development is fun.
Indeed.
Yeah.
I am building.
This is all
the
ignore Raycast. You can, it
Spot
cannot
one
hit
game.
itself. What is this bean paste?
Developing is fun until it's not.
Yeah,
Developing's
I
fun,
was
right,
trying to
guys?
make a.
Fun.
I was trying to make
Developing
2
is
freaking
fun until
bullets
you
shoot.
want to.
Oh.
Developing is fun until you want to break your fucking monitor.
Dude, it took me
Oh.
2.5 fucking hours to get these stupid bullets to shoot right, but now that it is, I'm so glad I did it. Because it's just so satisfying.
Hit cube? What do you mean hit cube? How did you hit the cube? Why are these 2 different objects?
Alright, see ya.
Alright,
Yeah.
goodbye.
Oh damn! My editor's finished. Kinda.
Oh, I accidentally duplicated the map when I hit mute. Control D is my deafen button. It's also duplicate in Unity.
Mm.
Alright, that still doesn't answer my question of how the hell did it collide with something that wasn't in the way.
I'll be back in an hour, maybe get something to eat.
Alright.
See you guys.
Hello
Bye.
there.
So yeah.
Box collider.
Oh god. Drag and drop. Alright, I should change the color a bit.
Okay, that one? Sure. This one? What the actual freaking hell? My raycasts are apparently colliding with the map, but I don't know how they're doing this, seeing as I'm debugging the ray and it is not in fact hitting the map.
Okay, so this is gonna be my game. The AI is unpredictable, so you wanna just go around and protect him from the fire, because he's an ice cube. He's Bob the Ice Cube. Oh god. I can't even do it. And the AI is not even finished yet. It's already hard.
Bruh.
My AI isn't even an AI.
Oh god. Oh, what is this? He's way too strong.
Whoa.
Hey,
Does anyone know color
excuse me, I
theory?
think I'm in the wrong stream.
Oh, someone asked something.
Does anyone know color theory or
Yeah,
something
sorry
like that?
about that.
Does anyone here know color theory? I need help, please.
No what?
Color theory.
Coward Siri?
Basically, how to correctly pick colors.
Oh. No.
Adobe Color.
There was a website.
Step
which
1,
tells
RNG. That's
No.
my usual method.
I can just go to color palette generator. By the way, I gotta fix that bug.
Yeah, or Adobe Color.
Adobe Color, yes, it's
Yeah.
free online. And
Use that.
Okay. Unity, I want to keep this real simple with you. You better stop trolling me, or we're best gonna have a bad time.
Go to a color palette generator. It's gonna be good. Generate.
Mm.
Okay. What do you make? Rossi. What do you make?
I'm working with Ted together.
Oh, turn off that.
I'm working with Ted together on a game, and right now we're working on.
You can watch our stream.
Yeah, watch
It
Ted's
is
stream.
failing.
It's failing. We're trying to make like a chip that you can add to your robot, so you can control the robot.
Yeah.
But it's kind of not working.
Doesn't really feel like working. So,
Hey, you're opening your video. Rossi.
What?
You're opening your video.
Just watch Teddy 888.
yeah, we're working together. We're a team. And like I'm sitting next
Yeah.
to him, so that's explanation.
See? So
Yeah, we're okay. Why?
I'll give this game to you for free.
We're fine.
So can you play with me this game? My game, it's my game.
What do you want? Like, we playtest your game, or
Yeah. It's called HRS Devil Game. It's online multiplayer horror game. Horror multiplayer game.
hey, we gotta work on this game right now. Sorry, maybe later.
No, I mean just this. Not for now. I mean next 3 days, 4 days.
Okay, sure.
like that.
What is it called?
Guys, I think I will go a bit. Getting lunch. So bye.
Guys, like
What?
I have a question. Cause I have my game relatively finished, but I have like an effect on it, a shader, and I just want to ask what looks better. Like if you go to my stream, if you have 1 second.
Wait, okay,
So
sure.
so I
That literally will you snail.
Bruh.
so I either use like this style or I use like the style like this, where the only
I
see the
think
outline.
Jonas will really like this game.
Wait, what were the options?
Like either the one with the outlines
Is it hitting?
or like this,
Ooh.
or like this style.
With this style, I can see things a lot better.
Yeah, but that's because of the stream, I think.
Okay, my devo's stopping. I don't know why. Okay.
I really don't know what I should use. Can show you
I think the first player.
with the effect on.
I like the effect more, but you can't see things that good.
A second. If I have the effect on, it looks like this. It lags a bit because I'm streaming and I am on a low end
Oh, I found
computer.
this better. This looks better.
This one with
Yes.
Okay. Thanks. That was my question.
No problem.
Was it somehow the raycast hitting the UI? Is that what was happening? Is there something that has... Oh, no. It hit the map. What?
Oh. Okay. I just found this glitch where you can just completely get rid of the main character.
Oh, that's, interesting.
You just push him out. Oh, why doesn't it work? What? It worked a second ago. I literally got rid of Bob.
Rest in peace, Bob.
There we go. He's right here. Just don't mind me getting rid of Bob. Oh well.
Yes, it worked. Okay. Why are you laughing? Okay.
What do you mean hit map? I'm no expert, Raycast, but there isn't a goddamn map there!
Yes.
Guys, can we have some feedback on Teddy's screen? It's basically we run into the chip, and then on the computer, it says we have to go to the chip so we can unlock movement. And then when we move into it, we get these 4 buttons that don't work yet, and the text is gone.
Look at this cute robot. But quick question. Does the game, like, I know in the live stream, in the theme release, they said, like, oh, you can also, like, imply it as, like, a robot or something. But does there have to be, like, AI mechanics in the game? Like, some sort of AI mechanics? Or?
Doesn't
No,
specify.
Okay.
it can be the story also.
Yeah.
If
I
you
mean, Jonas said it would just be robots. It could just be robots if you wanted, or like.
Because it looks like the robot follows you, and that's a little. It's kind of an AI. So yeah.
Well, no, the robot. Well, what we're doing is that you can collect a movement chip, and then you can kind of control the robot, like program steps for the robot. So
Yeah. It's it's
it has nothing to do with AI. It's just controlling the robot.
Yeah, it fits the theme enough. Yeah.
Okay.
Nice.
Okay. Did you send me the assets?
I don't get this.
Hello?
Hello.
Moin.
What are you
Moin.
doing? What are you doing?
What are you doing? Nice. Anyone else German here?
Yeah.
I know German.
Yes.
I know a bit of German.
Sure. Nice.
Aus.
Bro. How do I mute you? No.
Yeah.
There.
Says it hit something, but it didn't.
Ah, frick. Um. Hi.
Is the collider just not being generated correctly? If that was the case, then I'm mad. And if it wasn't the case, then I'm still mad.
Whoa. What?
Oh, it's a particle system. How did you hit the map? There's no map there.
Okay, check it out. Oh shit, I didn't want to do that. Sorry about that, I just closed my stream. Oof. Nice. Okay, the mechanic works, Ref.
Gray, why is it colliding with map?
Okay, bye everybody. I'm gonna leave and come back soon.
Yeah.
Bye. See ya.
Bye.
What is that mean? The hell? The hell? Shit, I was eating my Ethernet cable.
No. Ah, that's the problem. But I don't understand.
Okay, what the hell is it hitting? Is there somehow maybe a second map I didn't know about? I know that's a stupid concept, but I don't understand how else.
Why?
I don't get it.
I have a question. If you if you have a private game object and you just put in the start get components, will that game object be the game object where you put the script on?
Hmm?
Doesn't make really sense. Wait, I will show. Like I want when you collide with an object, the object breaks, but I don't. Yeah, I can put the object. I can just make it public and put the object in it. But if you put it private and you like get the game component, you will set the object to it, right?
I don't entirely understand what you mean.
Like how do you say it? Like if you for instance here, if you make an animator or variable and in the start you like get the component, it will find the animator on the thing you put the script on, and it will
Yeah,
apply it to this variable. But can you do that also with game components? Because
I'm pretty
I
sure.
tried that, but it doesn't work. Like I'm trying to
Look,
like link the game component where you put the script on to this variable, but it
can you
won't
show me
work.
your code?
Yeah. Um, yeah. So yeah, it's not. Or do I need to find this game object like this? This won't be possible, right?
I'm still not entirely sure what you're trying to do.
Like I'm trying to just have a variable, and
Yeah.
where so if you so where the sprite where I put this script on, that it will that I won't have to put in, so that this it's so hard to explain. um like this is the key I have, and I want if you collide with this key, the it breaks. But I could just put the key in here and it will be over. But if you put it on private and you set the game, you get the component at the start. It has to apply this to. Uh, it has to apply this key to that variable, but it don't work.
So wait, hold on. Your goal is to try and despawn a key when you hit it?
Yeah, but I could just like drag and drop the sprite in a public variable, but I thought it was possible just to apply it when with a private variable.
I mean, if you want, you can use a serialized field, which allows you to reference private variables or have private entities.
Wait.
Serialized field is a private variable that can be edited in the inspector.
Ah, this doesn't update anyway. Oh, what? What if I do this?
Why is it hitting that? It's not there. I don't get this.
All right. Oh, I see what you mean. Yeah, but that doesn't do the trick. Maybe it's not possible.
But you're just trying to despawn an object, right?
Yeah, but I'm trying to learn here. So now how can you like at the start apply this object it's on into the variable? Don't know if I can say it.
So
No.
get component, right?
Yeah, but that doesn't work. So I find it very strange. Or doesn't that only not work with game objects?
Can you screen share and show me your code? Because you should be able to get
Did
loading.
oh,
Okay. Okay, you're trying to get component of type game object, and game object isn't a component.
okay, then that's the problem.
Game object is a base entity. Everything is of type game object type. So you cannot
And
get game
components
object
are
as a type.
okay.
So you would do find game object.
Yeah.
And then specify how you want to find it by name or whatever. Game object dot find. There you go. Ideally, you'd find it by tag rather than name.
Yeah. Wait. And if you have multiple tags?
If you've got multiple objects with a tag, it usually finds the highest one in the hierarchy.
Okay. Let's see if that works.
If you need to reference a specific one, I would suggest just using serialized inspector variables.
Yeah, I know I can just make a public variable, but I'm trying to learn, you know.
Oh, are you trying to use on trigger enter to on trigger?
Yeah.
Does that actually work?
No.
Yeah, I was gonna say it should be on collision enter.
Ah.
On trigger
Does
enter
it
is
work?
called if the current object enters into another object's trigger. So in this scenario, you want on collision enter because you're looking for when you collide with the player.
Wait, so on trigger only works with
An object that isn't a trigger. Hitting into something that is a trigger.
here it works. Ah, okay. Doesn't work here.
Collisions are complicated. Alright, what the hell is this? Why is it trying to pass into there?
That's interesting. Okay.
Something's going on with my recast. What the hell is it?
Okay.
Distraction. Good. See. Good.
Goody goody. Let's go, boners. Okay.
Hmm. Gonna do this.
Yes, sir.
Wait, does it when I specify 2, does that assume a range of infinite?
Let's go, boners. Wolf. Okay, this is all. This is my brother. Don't touch him. Sorry.
Hmm.
Shut up, bro. Don't say anything. Okay, excuse me. This is my brother.
Ah, okay.
Shut up, bro. Let's make a particle system and call it cat. No, not cat. Wolf. Above you guys. Particle system.
So confused. Raycast. Why?
Danny's episodes. Danny's episodes introduce you
Correct.
to a unique particle system, a great system for making particles. Okay.
Hey guys, can you vote on which creature looks the best in the Wowie Jam chat?
Which one?
One of these 3 monsters. I want to show them.
Hold on, let me just speed scroll down to the bottom of the chat.
I need to just
Feedback or normal?
Yeah. I generated
Oh,
these randomly in Dolly.
Oh,
I
Zach.
said lime milkshake monster screenshot from Dark Souls 3. It gave me these. Oh, cool.
The first one looks like a green prawn. The bottom one looks like a candle.
Well, yeah, I suppose.
Yeah, I also like the last one the best.
Yeah, I think the last one's the best currently. Yeah.
In which chat are we looking?
The VC chat.
Yeah, the VC chat.
Oh, I didn't even notice I had a chat. I think the first or the last.
Okay, which of you?
Yeah, the middle one just reminds me of like some like PS3 style monster or PS1 style monster.
I think the last
The
one.
middle one looks like some.
What is it? Oh, it's grim. What do you desire? Okay, what? How am I getting? Wait, no, hold on. What tells the blue lines to render? No, hold on. It only renders blue lines if we're all good, right? Yeah, okay. Cyan line means bad. So, does this possibly mean it's fixed?
It generated a couple other images, but I didn't like them as much, so I didn't include them.
What did you use to generate them, or what?
Dolly 2.
Oh,
How many tokens do you have left?
Like 5.
Oh, rip.
I didn't even know it's out. It's out now.
You gotta apply for the beta, but I got like now that they've
Oh,
reduced
frick.
the quality of it,
Wait, what?
Now
They reduced the quality?
You used to get like 9 images generated per coin. Now you get like 4, and they're not as good. But now, basically, anybody who applies for the beta gets in within like 2 days.
I just wish they would make the dataset like frigging public, because it's like if they could just let me run it on my own GPU, be done in
Well, there's
seconds.
another one called Midjourney that also generates pretty good things, and it's completely free. But there's a catch.
Which
But
is?
It's completely free. You have to run it on a Discord server bot, so you got to wait until everybody else is generated first.
Oh.
Or you can pay like $10 a month and get access to unlimited for free and your own personal bot that does it.
Well, at that point, may as well just pay for DALL-E.
Yeah, well, who knows?
DALL-E's pretty reasonably priced.
Actually, I haven't looked at the upgrade. The
$15 for 100
refill.
tokens, at least in AUD.
Oh, yeah,
There's one that's completely free. It's not as good as the other ones, but it's called DALL-E Flow. It's not from the same ones, but it's also pretty okay.
Oh, yeah.
It's in the browser. It's like Google Colab or something. I can send a link if you want to check it out.
Oh yeah, pretty cool. Checking the description in the wowie jam chat.
I have like no idea what you're talking about.
This one, it's there.
Yo, my freaking code works now because apparently frigging raycasts were infinite. Why were they infinite? And why does it not tell you this? Now that my raycasts...
It's a little bit more complicated because you need to run as you need to press on the buttons in the right. But yeah, it's not. I think you would all understand.
Oh.
It's like in Google Colab, so you need to go from the and then there's then you need to like generate them, and then you select your favorite, and then it generates. Again, I generated, for example, with this. I can show you stuff like this, or I think the best one would be this one, or the meme.
No, everyone was
That's
leaving.
in the wowie in the. So I sent the link now, and there you can and
Oh yeah.
free example. There are free examples there. You can look.
Oh.
I'm gonna lower its volume a bit.
Yeah,
my
I
raycasts
did that 10 minutes ago.
Yeah, it's gonna be under 14, just barely enough. Yeah.
Alright.
How long can I keep this up for?
Particles. Okay.
Alright. Now, there should be no funny business with recasting. Alright, now time to rewrite the entire movement system. Just for the funsies.
Oh. Ah, okay.
The move.
It still doesn't work.
Because you're fucking Arabic man, huh?
Why won't you work?
Now, Arabic go bye bye. I hate. لحظة مداش نعلن ولي. Shut up, bro. Shut the fuck up.
I can look in the console. No. It... Why won't this work?
مرتضى.
Public?
Say مرتضى. Say مرتضى. I challenge you to say مرتضى. I challenge you. Say مرتضى. Can you say
Yeah, pretty much.
say مرتضى. I challenge you to say مرتضى.
The
مر. Say مر. 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 مرتضى. مرتضى. Say ضا. Say ضا. This character is only with language. It's not English
What the
language.
frick?
So bye bye. Baby. English
okay,
language.
who knows what this is gonna do?
Ugh.
It's gonna do anything, bro. It's gonna do anything, bro. English language go bye bye.
Interesting. Well, that's new.
Hmm.
Unity particle system.
Okay,
Who
that's
are
new.
the system for making particles?
Please shut up.
I will shut up, but before that, say dot, dot, dot. Say dot. Challenge you.
So, how the hell do we implement this?
Shut you, shut you. Shut up, Gator. Shut up, Gator. Please shut the hell up, bruh. Shut the hell up, bruh. Shut the hell up, bruh. Shut the hell up, bruh.
I don't understand.
Lol, mute me, mute me. I challenge you, Dr. Ron, mute me. I challenge you to mute me. I challenge you to mute me. Mute me. Mute me. Mute me. Mute me. Mute me. I challenge you to know my name. Challenge you. My name is Sika. My name is Dr. My name is Abdullah. My name is My name is Jordan. My name is Jordan.
5-0.
My name is
What
Jordan.
the fuck?
Mute me. My name is Jordan. Hey. What's done saying? Mute me. My name is Jordan. Hey, mute me, chair. Mute me. You're looking chair. You're looking chair. Mute me, bruh. Mute me, bruh. My name is chair. No, mute me, chair. You're really
Do it like this then.
Wait, which one was they? What? Oh, why is it doing that?
Understand. Defined? Oh no.
Right.
Oh my god. Okay, I know what the problem was.
Hell yeah.
Never forget to put an.
Copilot just wrote an entire paragraph for me, so let's see if it was correct. That's a no.
I didn't even know this server had roles. Yes.
Oh, Dr. Ron, you didn't mute me.
No.
Okay. Your game looks great. What is this? A key?
Yeah.
A key for what exactly?
To this door.
This door. Okay. You're an artist.
Yeah, I can do art. Not... Yeah, just...
Why you
I'm back.
Firefox? Why not?
Because it's superior.
Hey.
Oh, looking to chair. You're looking to chair.
Hmm.
Tills. Alright, that's sorted. Bada bing, bada boo boo. Huh? Back to linguistics with air scratch. Alright. Time to fight programming itself. Incidentally. Alright. Now, maybe, just maybe, this will work. Doubt it though.
I hope for you.
Opium.
Okay. Yes, it works.
Oh.
Only the colliding.
Okay, so
So I'm gonna
I
do
need to
that.
make levels now.
Oh, okay.
What's his null reference?
What? Yeah, what? What's up? Thank you.
Hmm.
No. Sorry, I'm not interested in working with other people.
Is anybody in a team?
No.
Nope.
Okay.
Now where'd you go with? Where the fuck is transition? Oh, nice. Let's actually pump up the lobby here. Okay. Still.
How do I make it commit? No idea how to make it like commit.
Why am I getting no references?
Everyone would want to know that.
One Scanner.
The fuck was that?
Yo, we've been just going for 3 hours. Hell yeah. I probably shouldn't be celebrating.
Nice logo or something, Master.
Oh, thank you. It's my singular piece of fan art I've ever received.
Super cool.
You're a YouTuber?
Pardon? Yeah.
What's your YouTube channel called?
Yeah.
Master
everybody
Scratch
subscribe now.
TGYT.
Oh yeah, it makes sense maybe.
I mostly do streaming though at the moment. Because I sort of. I spent 7 years on YouTube, barely made any popularity, so I was like, I'd stuff this, I'm gonna switch to Twitch, and it worked out way better. And I'm like, damn, I regret not doing this years ago.
That's nice.
What's his name?
Hmm?
Master.
It's all on my Discord. You go to my profile, and then it's like, Kid Shingles, it's all there. I have so many things on my. I need to turn off streamer mode. So many things Discord can't handle it. Okay. How the hell do I implement this?
Sussy.
What the fuck was that?
Why is this what pops up when I Google your thing?
I can't do
That's future me. Show of hands here. That needs to go in the highlight reel.
That's it.
What the hell? What is happening? Yo. Can I? Okay, what the fuck?
What's going on?
Okay, wait. I need to actually make a game. I forgot about that.
I forgot I have to do a game.
Yeah.
Yeah, I found them.
Wait.
This is your YouTube channel, right? Yeah, obviously.
Yeah, you know, I joined the game jam and I forgot I need to do. No big deal.
What the fuck? Wait, what do you do? The TG in the street?
I just subscribed.
What the hell is
Here's
that?
proof.
Show me the channel, master.
Hell yeah. Thank you for the follow, Jojo.
Someone is converting themselves to an AI for
It doesn't have an I in it.
Oh, come on.
They took the job too seriously.
Yeah.
I'm trying to figure out who am I watching right now. I've got no idea. Teddy, my username doesn't have an I in it. That's why you can't find me. Oh wait, no, hold on. No, I can't. Sorry, I forgot how to spell my own username. It does have an I, it doesn't have a T.
Here, I sent it in chat.
No, send the link, bro.
Oh, send the link.
You can just right click on my Discord profile. Oh, wowing.
Bruh.
Yeah, let's just all subscribe to this.
Yeah, everybody subscribe.
Wait, I'm going to go leave a comment.
Free ads.
Wait, there you go.
Hell yeah.
Okay.
I want to see the subscriber count go up.
71.
The hell is my
Wow,
home feed?
holy fuck, the transition worked first try. I did not expect that.
What's up, guys? My name is
No swearing.
Oh, hell yeah, my pizza's ready.
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
Let's go.
Health for working.
Yo. Everything's going crazy. Hold up. One moment, I gotta go get a pizza out of the oven.
I'll be back later. So
See ya.
bye.
See ya. Okay.
Am I streaming this, by the way? Yes, I am. Okay. What the fuck am... Huh. I don't think that... I don't think this is supposed... This... How it's supposed... I want to...
Yo, got pizza.
Nice.
Nice.
Oh. Bash my hand in.
Okay, so I'm back. Once more.
Hell yeah.
Start.
Orders.
What the fuck is all of that, dude? Oh, restart. Yes.
Mm. Mm.
Devil game.
break and have some food. I'm gonna be back in a bit. Alright, we're back in like half an hour or so. Alright, cool.